But I'm here to tell you, I want you to focus on culture, because over 14 years, I've worked in every type of school. I've worked in schools that are so well funded, it feels like you're on the campus of Google. State of the art. But a culture is so toxic that you can't wait to shower when you get out of there. Parents paying high five figures for the kids to go to that school. I regard culture like a sub. I don't care how great your classroom management is. I don't know how great your class's culture is. You get a bad sub, it may take 2 days, but eventually the class culture is going to erode. Does that make sense? I've also worked in schools, state of the art, parents paying high five figures. And I say to myself, I walk in saying, I wouldn't pay this kind of money. But the culture is so fantastic and the culture is so great that I walk out saying, okay, I don't have that kind of scratch, but I can kind of see why these parents are paying that kind of money. Like it's on point. I've worked in schools, I've led schools in the bowels of the hood, where you get out your car in the morning and you say a quick prayer over it. Right? Just all 4 tires be here, Lord. 4 tires. Even if one's flat, I just want 4. Right? And then you walk inside and the culture tells you why you got to pray over your car. Like the culture inside mirrors the hot mess outside. And I've worked and led schools in the bowels of the hood where you pray over your car in the morning and you walk inside and what you got going on tells you why you pull up and pray every day. Like got this stuff going on. So I'm saying culture transcends all of it, even when kids apply.